Alright guys, welcome back to Solar Garage. So today we're going to be working on Project Kuzli and finally going to be putting the OEM bumper back on, replacing our passenger headlight and our damaged bracket on the driver's side. So yeah. Alright, as you guys remember, we have the headlight bracket that we need to replace, so it should just be one, looks like 3 bolts. So it is actually 4 bolts. I hadn't seen this one here because of how bent it was, and it actually did end up breaking one of my tabs on my headlights, but we'll leave that alone for now. Alright, so here's a new piece. Here's the part number for anybody that wants to buy OEM. And it goes like that. So 2 bolts here and then 2 bolts down here. Alright, so we have removed the spoon fender on the passenger side to get to the headlight. Unfortunately, that is something you have to do. At least as far as I know, that's what you have to do. Trying to see what all is holding this baby in. It might just be this one bolt here now. So we're going to remove that and then unplug everything. Alright, so here's the part number for the passenger headlight. And here we have the headlight itself. So again, we are replacing this one because we are getting moisture inside of it. I would like to eventually fix this one, just to try it, see how it's done. And we're definitely going to replace the driver's side eventually. But God, that looks nice. Alright, here's the headlight back on. I'll make a more detailed video on how to swap everything over once I change the driver's side, but for now that's it. Time to put the fender back on and then the bumper. Alright, so here's the number for the AP1 front bumper. We went ahead and put it on. So here we have it back on. You're gonna make some adjustments later with all that. I'm not too concerned at the moment because it's all gotta get taken off and painted anyways. But there she is, back together at least. Alright, so again, just a quick video of some much needed work that needed to be done to the S2. Hopefully we have something a little well, something a little more interesting next time. But until then, I hope you guys are staying safe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.